Hello, I am Jones Apao and I'm going to take you through how students can use Moodle. There are some basic knowledge that students need to acquire to be able to understand Moodle. So by the end of this video, you will be able to log on to the Moodle site as a student, edit your personal profile, find a course and enroll in it, navigate in Moodle, do various Moodle activities. I'll demonstrate some of them, and also how to use the gradebook. In doing this, I will combine Moodle 2.0 and 2.5. Now, my university is using Moodle 2.0 and I'll start with that first. With my university, you need to go to the learning management system. That will take you to the Moodle site. Once you reach this page, you are expected to read the site news, and that can guide you for any technical support and the likes. Browsers that support HTML editing and others also. So as a student, you click on the login button, and with my university, students' username is their index numbers and the password is their applicant ID. I'm going to use one of the students' account to demonstrate. Now, you have the index number there already, so I'll provide the password. Okay. Now, this person has filled a form already. If you are a first-time user, even with any Moodle platform, a form will come for you to fill, where you'll be required to provide your first name, your surname, your email, a description about you, and the likes. Now, with Moodle 2.0 that University of Education Universe is using, when you log in successfully as a student, you see the course categories, which sometimes refer to as table of content, and we will come to that because locating a course and enrolling in it is one of my objectives for this video tutorial. Let's just take a look at the 2.5 environment. This one we can also have available courses, so it depends on how the appearance has been, and we have courses here. So I'm going to demonstrate with this. That's the 2.5 and the 2.0. With the course categories here, you see that it's being organized in faculties and departments. So if these students want to enroll in a course, which I'll demonstrate soon, the person needs to look for a department. But before we look at that, let's see how a student can edit his or her profile. Anywhere you see your name, you click on it. It takes you to a page like this. Then you click on edit profile. Then you can edit if the first name is not spelled well. Here is where you give a description about yourself. For example, I am this, I come from blah blah blah. Then when you want to upload a picture, you browse and navigate to wherever the picture is and you load it. Now, if you want more field, for example, if you have a web page, you put it there. ICQ number, and the institution, the department. Any changes that you do, you need to click on update profile. So with this, like this, my name, when I click on it, it will take me to a page that I can edit my profile. Let me just click on it, then you watch. So this 2.5, I've demonstrated with 2.0 earlier on. So let me go back whilst this is loaded. So this what it is. Now with this, you come back to UWCMS, which some have it as home or my home. Okay, now let's go back to the 2.5. So you see, with the 2.5, you can also edit this as well. So with this, you will not see the edit button here. You have the edit profile here. So it's a kind of things that you as a student need to learn. If you are using a particular version you look for, they are similar. So let me just go back to the available courses, and here now let's assume the student wants to enroll in a course in the maths department. So the person clicks on the mathematics education department. It also has its courses, but what you need to know as a student is with 2.0, if a course is having an enrollment key, you will see a key like this. If it is not having, you will not see any key. Now when you click on, for example, as I'm hovering the mouse on this course, when you click on it, automatically you will be in the course. So if it's not a course that you are supposed to take, you don't click on it. But those with the key, you need to get the key from the lecturer or the teacher or the facilitator. So let me try it with this. This is having a key, this student. Now with 2.0, when it is having an enrollment key and you click on the course, it will not take you directly into the course. So you need to scroll down, and the password that the lecturer gave to you, you type it there. So let me just say, okay, then you click on enroll me in this course, or you enter. Let's see what happens. Oh, let me try again. Okay, let's see. So that's the process you take to enroll in a course if the course is having an enrollment key. Okay, now so you are in the course. So this student has enrolled in this course. What can she do? There are so many things that as a student you need to do. That's, you read whatever the facilitator or the teacher has on the Moodle platform, and you realize that you have the information page spanning from the course code in this case and the course title up to the navigation button. There are so many activities like this chat. The chat activity is a kind of synchronous communication. So for example, if I want to chat with a colleague, that's another student, then all of us will set time and click on the chat link, which is an activity. Then you say click here to enter the chat now. Then you can see the other person in the chat room. Now there's another activity which is called a forum. This is an example of a forum that's get knowing each other. This is not synchronous communication, it's asynchronous, in that you can go there and post your message and later on somebody can read. So anytime you have a forum activity, you read the introduction part and click on reply to give your comment. For example, say, use this platform to introduce yourself to me and your classmates. So after that, you see at the bottom post to forum. Click on that to be able to have your message put across. There are so many activities that you need to learn. Sometimes your Twitter or your lecturer take you through. Now, how do you download, for example, Word files, PowerPoint files? You click on it. It depends on how it has been set. Then you either save it or you open it and save it down. Now you need to also learn the icons for the various activities. Look at the chart, look at how it looks like. Look at this. This is a forum. I don't know, this is a quiz. The quiz, to when you want to take this quiz, you click on it, and if you have the procedures there, you follow it judiciously. This section is also okay. Then you can click on attempt quiz now, and you are gone. We will not take this. Let's go back to the course. Now, when you look at this navigation tool, navigation panel, it has the Arabic numerals 1 to 7. It's telling you that it has 7 topics or units. So if you don't want to use the vertical scroll bar to scroll to the bottom, then you can click on the 7 to take you there. So this is how you can navigate on Moodle. Now let's watch carefully. You see that it says 7 not available, meaning the lecturer has not made it available. So you have only 7 and the information page. You can also use the jump tool to jump to various sections of the course. Now if you want to see all with Moodle 2.0, you can click on this that show all topics to see all the topics. Now if you want to watch a video on Moodle, you click on it and you can watch. You can enlarge it by clicking on the full screen feature. Now let's see how a student can use the gradebook. It's not showing in this course. Let me see. It's not here. So let's go to different course and I'll show you right now. That's ICT course. If the gradebook is made available for you by the tutor or the lecturer, you say it. That course, the lecturer did not show the gradebook to the students. Okay. Now, if you want to find out how you faring in the course under administration, you click on grades. That's the way we use the gradebook in Moodle 2.0. So any activity that is called, you see your mark. Let me just summarize this presentation by going to the 2.5.1 and you see the features. It's just a bit different, especially the icons for the various activities. So the same thing, you look for the course. When it's having an enrollment key, it will be given by the facilitator of the course, you enter it like what I demonstrated with Moodle 2.0. So here the same thing, you click, look at the chart how it is now, then the forum how it looks like, then the navigation tool. So go to, so if you say topic 0, it takes you the unit 7, it takes you to unit 7. So you have unit 7 there. If you want to go back to unit 1, you click on it. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation. Thank you.